Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong first quarter ng 2025. Ayan, so January, February, March. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. It really helps our channel to grow. Okay, let's see Leo. First quarter ng 2025 for you. What are the energies? Alright, so you have the 7th house. So this is about relationships, partnerships. So maaring isa to sa tema ng first quarter for you. Meron ditong unexpected na relationship. So if you're single, there is a possibility na kayo ay pumasok sa isang relationship ngayong first quarter ng 2025. Unexpected siya. This can be a friend or someone na kakilala mo na or pwede makilala mo siya sa social media. Itong connection na to is merong attraction dahil sa pagiging matalino ng person na yon. So, if you are someone na attracted sa isang tao dahil sa kanyang talino, galing, sa kanyang humor or wit, ayan. So, some of you maaring meron ditong unexpected relationship. Yung iba naman sa inyo, this is unexpected business partnership, maaring merong mga collaboration. If you are a content creator, may mga taong gustong makipag-partner sa inyo. This can be yung mga yung mga paid partnership, ganyan. So may magsa-sponsor sa'yo to create a video. So things are going to be collaborative, no? Ngayong first quarter ng 2025 para sa inyo. So there's collaboration. You also have LHAS, which is protection, defense. So this is how you will protect yourself is ano ba to? You have to protect yourself sa pamamagitan ng pagsunod sa iyong instincts. Okay? Kasi minsan 'di ba, parang makakaramdam tayo na there's something wrong or parang something is off in a situation or sa isang tao. So, yun yung instinct mo na nagsasabi sa'yo na, oops, teka lang, kumalma ka muna, wag mo munang gawin yan, iwasan mo muna yan, pag-isipan mo muna, ganon. So, you are going to connect to your higher self, to your intuition, and tutulong yan sa'yo para makaiwas sa problema or issues. Okay? You also have Ansus. Ansus is about wisdom, insights. So, maaring may mga learnings kayo, no? Itong learnings na to is about yung mga experiences mo na pagdadaanan ngayong first quarter ng 2025. At yung mga experiences na yun magbibigay sa'yo ng wisdom, karunungan, kaalaman. So, yung iba pwedeng mag-aaral, pwedeng kayo ay mag-enroll online, or pwedeng self-study. Okay? You are also going to be self-aware. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring magkakaroon ng spiritual awakening, nagkakaroon ka ng awareness about your existence, maaring you are also questioning your belief system na pwedeng nagbabago yung pananaw mo sa buhay, yung paniniwala mo, dahil meron kang mga nadidiscover about yourself, about other people, about the world. Okay? So, let's see, Leo, what else? First quarter ng 2025 for you. So, this is your overall energy, the 4 of Swords. I think ngayong first quarter, you will spend time with yourself. Focusing on your healing. Healing from your past. Mas, kayo ngayon, relaxed. Oo, maaring may mga bakasyon kang gagawin ngayong first quarter ng 2025 wherein magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaan ng isip, kaliwanagan. Ayan. Let's see your challenge. Oh, the death card. So, as a challenge, yung iba sa inyo, yung mga nagbabago sa buhay ninyo, yung mga bagay na natatapos na, ito yung mga wala kayong control eh. Maaring maging challenging sa inyo, yung pagtanggap sa mga bagay na kailangan nyo nang i-let go or kailangan na magtapos sa buhay nyo. Because you are about to start a new beginning ngayong first quarter ng 2025. So, maaring itong new beginnings na to, magaganap to around second quarter. So, yung proseso ng letting go, ending, ng situation is within this first 3 months ng 2025. So, your opportunity. You have the King of Cups. As an opportunity, mas magkakaroon ka ng malalim na connection sa sarili mo. Like, alam mo yung pagiging mas spiritual. Oo. This is also about compassion. Compassion, it's like you will have this opportunity to take care of others, tumulong sa iba, mag-share ng knowledge mo, ng skills mo. And, maaring, ito rin yung person that you will be partnering with. A water sign. So, maaring malakas yung water placements niya. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, maaring you will be partnering with someone. Can be business partnership or romantic partnership. And then, your focus is the lovers. Oh, ay naman. So, the lovers is relationships, of course. So, maaring yan yung gusto mong mas ma-highlight ngayong first quarter ng 2025. Or, pwede rin kasi kahit na wala sa plano mo, pero mangyayari siya. Okay? Kasi nga, may unexpected dito na partnership for you. So, I think, kung ikaw ay papasok sa partnership, romantic connection, ngayong first quarter ng 2025, magiging committed ka dyan. Aalagaan mo yan. Oo. Kahit anong partnership to, can be romantic, pwedeng sa business, partnership, collaboration with others, aalagaan mo yung connection na yan. And then your blessing is, wow, ang ganda naman na blessing to. 10 of Pentacles. This is stability in your finances, having more than what you need. So, mas, kumbaga, siksik-liglig umaapaw, no? Yung tipong, kung ano yung needs mo, mas sobra pa yung meron ka. Okay? So, that's why, like what I mentioned kanina, meron kang mga tutulungan. Meron kang mag-share ka ng mga, let's say, resources mo sa ibang tao or kaalaman. So, you will be very blessed financially ngayong first quarter ng 2025. So, that's good news. Diba? Let's see what else, Leo. Excuse me. Spring. Within 1 to 3 months. So, ayun nga. Ito na yon, first quarter ng 2025. Wow, may recognition sa inyo. Meron kang ma-achieve. Maaring ikaw ay makikilalanin sa galing mo, sa talino mo, or sa iyong abilities. Meron kang ile-let go na something old sa buhay mo. You may be buying a new car, ibibenta mo yung old car mo, or pwedeng anything na ari-arian mo. It's time. Oh, it's time to take action. Yes. So, you're finally taking action sa mga goals mo. Hindi mo nahahayaan na ito ay ipagpaliban pa. You have sensuality. Wow. So, I think mas magiging explore ka, mas magiging open ka sa sexuality mo, can be sexuality or your relationships, connections with others. You will also be inspired sa mga actions na gagawin mo at mas magiging confident ka sa sarili mo. Knowing that marami kang kakayanan. Release. So, ito na yung ile-let go mo. Letting go of the things that no longer serving you. And also having patience sa mga bagay na kailangan mong hintayin, lalo na kung wala kang control over it. Okay? It is safe to wait. O, maaring may mga bagay na madidelay ngayong first quarter ng 2025, but it doesn't mean na hindi siya matutuloy. Kailangan lang maging patient ka. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.